container in which I growed chili plant. Look at its red chili. These are the two plastic containers which we were going to throw and was of no use. So instead of throwing it, we thought we should grow some plants in it. This is a matka which is used in Navratri. So we can put it in water and then polluted the water. Instead of that, we growed some peacock feather plant. This is a vegetable chopper which its blade was broken. So we just growed ajwain in it. Now I'm going to show you how you can use a glass bottle. This is how I have grown a bamboo and money plant. Look its roots. So beautiful they look in the water. You can decorate the water like this. Instead, if you don't want to do this, and if you have a bottle cutter, cut the bottle and then you can make a self-watering plant. Look at these paint buckets. In this, I have grown guava plant, mango plant and a neem plant. The most interesting thing in this garden and my favorite thing is the nest which I made from a shoebox. See how beautiful nest our sparrow has made? So, did you see how various things we used and recycled them for growing plants? Similarly,